Welcome to a demonstration of how to add stereochemical specifications to a structure in a user database in the KNOWITALL informatics system. You can use drawing tools to assign configurations to each chiral center and use wedge notations when drawing bonds. This capability allows you to add chemical configuration information such as atom types, bonding, and stereochemistry to structures stored in user databases. We begin with a user database with structures open in a MineIt application. Because stereochemistry has been enabled on the View menu, stereochemistry information is displayed in the Structure Properties pane. We will add stereochemistry information to the first record. Double-click the structure in the database pane to transfer it to the DrawIt application. When a structure or bond is selected, the stereochemistry toolbar is activated. Red or black denote absolute configuration at a stereocenter. There are 4 colors available for assigning relative stereochemistry. The colors are used to specify sets of chiral centers with the same relative stereochemistry. When bonds are marked with the same color, the stereocenters are in the same relative configuration to one another. The colors are used to represent a mixture of stereoisomers with one database structure. Click a button in the stereochemistry toolbar to apply the color to the selected bond or structure. Although we can specify the absolute or relative stereochemistry of an entire molecule using one of the colors from the stereochemistry toolbar, a more typical use is to specify the stereochemistry of individual bonds. You can use the lasso tool to select individual bonds, then assign a color from the stereochemistry toolbar. Continue selecting bonds and assigning colors. All of the bonds in blue are in the same relative configuration. This structure now represents a mixture of 2 diastereomers. The first is a structure with the methyl in red above the plane, the hydroxyl in blue above the plane, the methyl in blue above the plane, and the dimethyl amino group in blue below the plane. The second is a structure with the methyl in red above the plane, the hydroxyl in blue below the plane, the methyl in blue below the plane, and the dimethyl amino group in blue above the plane. To save this modification in the user database, click Return to MineIt and save. The new structure with the stereochemistry designations is added to the record. This concludes our demonstration of how to add stereochemical specifications to a structure in a user database in the KNOWITALL informatics system.